Guys, I hope you're ready for this video because I have massive value to provide. For coding noobs, web development is among the best fields to start. High earning potential, opportunity for growth, and remote work are among the many perks. And that's probably why you're here, because you want to become a self-taught web dev. Well, I'll tell you exactly which course you should take to become a front-end, back-end, or full-stack engineer to help you turbocharge your way to becoming a web dev giga-chad. I took this amazing course and it helped me tremendously to get my first job as a programmer. And a little secret before we start, the course is so amazing that under certain circumstances, you can get a guaranteed job interview after successfully completing it. So guys, stick around until the end of the video and I'll tell you all about it. The course that I recommend is called FullStackOpen and it's provided by the University of Helsinki for free. And it's one of the best programming courses out there. Why is the course so great? It's free, comprehensive, clear and demanding. And that's everything that you want from an online course. The course serves as an introduction to modern web development with JavaScript, and the main focus is on building single-page applications with React.js. So, at the end you'll be able to build really cool apps by yourself. Now, while you don't have to be a coding whiz, students are expected to have basic programming skills. When I took the course, I knew basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, not much more. And it's not an easy course, but it's very doable if you know the foundations of programming and you put in the effort. And the effort is very, very well worth it. So let's get to the juicy stuff. What are you going to learn? First, you're going to learn about front-end development. This is the stuff you can see, like here how I can click on buttons. Then you'll get to back-end development. This is all the stuff that happens on the servers. Part of back-end development is learning about databases. And then of course you need to test your apps. Lastly, you'll learn about miscellaneous topics like TypeScript or React Native. All the course contents will make you a well-rounded full-stack developer, ready for any full-time position. How do the instructions work? Guys, this is going to sound a bit strange, but this course is without video lessons. Instead, the course instructions are read-only. If you're taken aback by that, don't worry, I was too at the beginning. But let me tell you, it really works. Instead of having video instructions, they explain the contents with concise reading material, using a very hands-on approach. So, the course doesn't pay much attention to theoretical topics. Instead, it's very practical, immediately teaching you how to build things. For example, one assignment is to build a simple note-taking application. In this app, you can create little to-dos, mark them as important, and save them to a database. This sounds almost too easy, but let me tell you, it packs a punch. These demonstrations convey the concepts and ideas in a superb manner. After the hands-on instructions, it's assignment time. These assignments are phenomenal. They make you apply the knowledge you gained in the lessons above. They're similar to the demonstrations, but they're also different enough to be quite challenging. If you ask me, it's a perfect balance. Another key perk of FullStackOpen is that it has a very active Discord. Every assignment has its own channel so that students can discuss problems they encounter and the course materials. These channels are super active, and as you can see, pretty much all of them have daily messages. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can expect to get a response pretty quickly. Community members discuss the problem sets, talk about becoming self-taught developers, and about finding employment. It's really an ideal community for aspiring software developers like you. You can also find very positive reviews for FullStackOpen on Reddit. And no guys, these are not my reviews. Here you can see one person talking about getting a job the first month after completing FullStackOpen. And guys, if this wasn't enough, here's another person vouching for FullStackOpen. This person says that the projects and assignments were the biggest factor in getting internships. Guys, I hope you're convinced that FullStackOpen is an amazing course. And I want to leave you on a really uplifting note. Remember that I was talking about guaranteed job interviews at the beginning? The course is so good that they regularly connect students to companies looking for developers. Now, there is a catch, which is that you need to be a resident of Finland. If that's the case and you complete the course with all the assignments, you get guaranteed job interviews. Now, for most of you watching, this is probably not the case. You're probably not residents of Finland. But don't worry, this really shouldn't deter you. In fact, it should really motivate you. It shows that the course is so good and comprehensive that people are ready for full-time employment after the course. And so will you be. If you take this course seriously and complete all the assignments, you can definitely start applying for jobs. And with due diligence and perseverance, you will get that first gig. So guys, what are you waiting for? Start with FullStackOpen. Study hard and become a self-taught web developer. There's absolutely nothing stopping you. It's all in your hands.